Okay, this is the step if you're an illustrator, how to get your character ready for GIF animation. Now, I did this after the step of the creating characters, so you'll see I've made those invisible, so I created those extra characters there. This step, though, you would want to do before you create the characters, because at that point the document's kind of big, you have two artboards, it's going to get a little more confusing. So before you create your characters panel, just go ahead and do your PNG exports. That will make your life a little easier. So the way that you do this is you're going to toggle the visibility here, and that's how you're going to show different frames. Now, for each frame that you're going to do, you only have to do one export because you can drag it into Jiffy multiple times. So if you have an image with no feet, you can use that in order. So when you're going in and uploading your imagery, you can put that a couple different times. And that way you don't have to save the same image over and over again. You can just upload it more than once. So the first image that you're gonna wanna save is the original, because you're gonna start with that. So I'm gonna go to File, Export, and Save for Web. That's where your PNGs are. And then that's also where you can change the color count so you can make it a little bit more web friendly. If it's a PNG 8, then it's a smaller file. So PNG 24 is larger, but the Jiffy will take larger files. And again, you can see it's 612 by 792 pixels, which isn't that bad. So I'm gonna go ahead and there you go. You can see it's gonna have a clear background, which is helpful. So when you bring it into the other program, you can have different colors behind it or add things. And I'm gonna press save. And now I wanna name this something that I can find. This is all part of the file organization part of the class, just learning how to export in different file formats and also keep them organized. So I'm gonna say critter, GIF, and then 1. So that's the first one, the original. And then most likely it would be really good if you created a new folder and put all of these images in there so they're easy to load into Jiffy. Now there's going to be yet another video, there's another tutorial on how that's done, but this is just to get you prepped for that. If you're in Gravit, of course, you want to do screenshots. So I can always right here just do new folder and do GIF animation. And if you're doing more than one, you can label that. I'm going to press on that and I'm going to say save. So it'll go right into my folder for me. Now, maybe I'm going to have the feet. You can see I can kind of toggle the visibility right now, and you can see how the animation would work. So I'm going to go ahead and take the feet off and do the same thing. So you're just going to kind of keep doing this until you have all the images that you want to Twitch animate with. Okay, so now I'm saving one with no feet. Okay, I'm not moving the position or anything. Now you can move the position and that would show in your animation. So say I rotated the head or the hair or something like that. Okay, press save. And then say critter GIF 2. And you're just gonna keep toggling the visibility until you get what you want. Okay, there you go. And it's really that simple. That's all you need to do. It's just a little time consuming doing image by image, but remember you can reuse each one. You can put like say the feet one and then the full character and then the feet one, and you can go back and forth so it looks like this when it's in GIF. Okay.